Welcome to Dark Psychology World Channel, The Wisdom of the Devil. Chapter 3, Learning Martial Arts from Street Fighters. Street Smarts versus Martial Arts School Training. We've got a buddy who's a martial arts fanatic training religiously at a local dojo. He's all about discipline and respect, always following the rules to the letter. His performances are a sight to behold, earning him admiration from us all. He can pull off moves like the carp roll over and high kicks that reach 7 feet in the air. His boxing is intense, but when he was mugged one day, he was floored with a single punch before he could even react. We were left scratching our heads, wondering how all his training failed him when he needed it most. The issue lies in the nature of his training. Martial arts schools focus on discipline, body strengthening, and performance, not on causing harm. But a mugger's goal is to overpower and hurt. They're street fighters, throwing punches with intent. Street fighter tactics. The techniques taught in martial arts schools don't hold up in a street fight. We've talked to these street brawlers who fight daily, and their mantra is simple: don't fear pain, endure it, and strike hard and fast at vital points. Street fighters aren't in it for the show or the fitness, they're in it to win. So, if life's a battlefield, you need to learn the ways of the street fighter, not the martial arts school. You're not learning for show, you're learning to come out on top. The power of law. Most advice from parents, elders, schools, and friends is akin to movie martial arts. It's not practical. So let's get real and learn what works. Imagine you want to teach your daughter self-defense. Would you send her off to Macabre for a decade of martial arts training? No, you'd teach her practical tactics. First, teach her to act scared when confronted by a creep, lowering his guard. Then, when he least expects it, she strikes at his weak spot and bolts, screaming for help. It's all about deception. Second, she needs to fight like a street fighter, aiming for the pain points. There's a right and wrong way to kick a creep. Toe kicking is like slapping. It stings but isn't lethal and might just anger him more. The right way is a shin kick, which can incapacitate him. Teach her that showing mercy to an attacker is being cruel to herself. We don't sugarcoat things. We emphasize real-world results. We write not what you want to read, but what you need to read. Hard truths, good advice. We learn many things in life, some useful, some not. But some lessons are better learned sooner than later. Say your daughter loves to party. Would you fill her head with niceties? Tell her the world is peaceful, people are kind, and she should accept drinks from strangers? If you want to put her in danger, sure. But if you care about her safety, you tell her the truth. The world can be dangerous. Be wary of strangers. Never leave your drink unattended. Avoid dark alleys. And if a creep approaches, attack first. That's the hard truth, the good advice. Thank you for watching. This is a channel to learn how to grow your mind. Career tips, life tips, love tips, and interesting psychological facts. If you are interested in this kind of content, you are welcome to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the next mind growth video. See you in next video.